Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have a toddler, you know they are constantly throwing their food on the floor, especially when they're in that stage. My son will eat and eat and eat, and then all of a sudden just throw his entire plate on the floor. I originally got these Yoofoss toddler plates to keep at my in-laws, but now that I love them so much, I think I'm gonna keep them for myself. I really love that they come with lids because if you get to the kids before they throw their food on the floor, it's really nice to be able to save the leftovers and feed it to them another time. I really love that it's 100% food-grade silicone, so you do not have to worry about anything yucky getting into your baby's food while you're feeding them. They're also extremely durable because they're so bendy and everything. They're not gonna break like a plastic plate would if it gets dropped multiple times. Also, of course, one of my favorite parts is that it's dishwasher safe. If you've been looking for the perfect suction plate for your baby or toddler, these are absolutely my favorite, but that's just my point of view.